Hi, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today my recipe is Karunai Kilangu fry or Yam Fry. It is a very good side dish for all varieties of rice and it is very easy to make with very few ingredients and less oil. Compared to potato, it is very good for health. For this you need 300 grams of yam. Remove the skin of the yam and cut into 1-inch size cubes. Some people might feel that palm itchy while cutting and cleaning the yam. If you feel like that, apply oil. Take approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 3 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and salt to taste. Take the yam pieces in the pressure cooker, add water and check all the pieces immerse in the water. Add salt. If you want, you can add turmeric powder also. Close it and pressure cook it for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, strain the water. Remove the excess water also and check whether it is cooked. If you touch the pieces, it should be soft and be careful, it should not be overcooked also, and allow it to cool for some time. First, mix all the dry ingredients. Add lemon juice. Add some water and make it as a paste. Apply the paste on top of the yam. According to your taste, you can adjust the chili powder and salt. Spread the paste on all the sides of the yam. Allow it to marinate for half an hour. If you want, you can keep it in the fridge also. Now I am going to shallow fry the yam. Heat the pan. Add oil. Be careful, the oil is very hot. Just fry for 2 minutes on one side. Now flip it on the other side. And cook it for another 2 minutes. Just turn and see whether it is done. It is done. So it's time to take. The same pan, again add oil and fry the remaining yam pieces. Yummy yam fry is ready. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.